Good Monday evening, guys and girls. Time for your Monday evening walk through Manhattan. We are on 54th between 8th and 7th Avenue. Get ready for our journey. Let's take off. Alright. The sushi restaurant. Guys bringing in linen for the Residence Inn. And the Residence Inn has a nice bar. You gotta come check that out. A lot of linen. I myself work in hospitality for a lot of years, so I know the game. Cocktail hour. Oh, we're on Broadway here, guys. My mistake. I said 7. Broadway on 54. And catch a glimpse at Times Square. Gorgeous weather this evening. New construction. Everybody getting off work, heading home for the day. City parking. It's a little flea market across the street. Some of them are open, some of them are closed. Heading to 7th Avenue now, guys. 54 and 7. I like 4 of the little stores open there. Most of them are closed though. 200 West 54. An executive building. Very beautiful older building. Here we are on 7th Avenue. Ray's Pizza, the Sheraton, Dunkin' Donut. Still catching a glimpse of Times Square. The sign said to walk. Of course, the pigeons. Well, New York City be without pigeons. Tell you guys, pretty new to this YouTube, making video stuff, vlogging, but walking and doing these videos sure is fun. I think I've learned a lot. Perplexed.
It's really hard to sort of
Bar time. Oh, the bar is pretty much full. Parking lot, Avis, the luxury collection of Manhattan Midtown. A lot of parking, guys. Parking in New York City is expensive. Early bird special say $8.49. Early bird special means from what? Oh, $8.49 for half an hour. Half an hour before 6 a.m. More parking. Hope you guys enjoying the view. Springtime is nice. It's a nice time in New York City. Weather's changing. Had a crazy cold winter. A Samigo. I sure could do without one of that right now. Good drink. What we got here? What we got here? The MoMA. Welcome to the Hilton. The Warwick Hotel. That's a very old hotel in New York City. It's a landmark also. What's the street vendors? Hot dogs, rice and chicken, halal. The halal guys. 54 and 6th Avenue here, Avenues of the Americans. We would not cross, we would wait on the lights. Check the building out, guys. Pretty cool, right? Sixth Avenue, Avenues of the Americas. A lot of traffic. Down the block is Radio City Music Hall. Such a beautiful city. Guys, enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe. Let me know where you want me to walk, what tours you guys need, and I'll do it. I'll get it done for you and post it. Also, if you need a personal tour guide in the city, if you come into New York City and you would like me to show you around, reach out, send me a comment, put it in the comment to reach out to you guys. I'll give you a walk into the city. Group tours, single tours, whatever. Whoever you are, whatever you want to do, I'll take you around New York City. Show you the sights, show you all over Manhattan, Harlem, downtown, Chinatown, Little Italy, Koreatown, Garment District, Fashion District, Central Park, Theater District, Hell's Kitchen, 42nd Street, 34th Street, Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan Bridge, name it, 5th Avenue. Just tell me where you want to